Hello everyone, this is Dr. Nishika Gowda, resident dentist at White Swan Aesthetics. With me are Dr. Suman, periodontist and implantologist, Dr. Radhika, periodontist and implantologist, and we have Dr. Adarsh, oral maxillofacial surgeon and implantologist. So today, let us know about dental implants.
Thank you, Nishika. Dental implants have been the most important development in dentistry over the years. We often see patients coming to our clinic complaining about uncomfortable dentures or bridges. Dental implants not only replace teeth but they replace root as well. Today, we will share with you the clinical insights from our experience.
To start off with, Dr. Adarsh, what exactly is a dental implant?
So, dental implants are the titanium screws are placed inside the jawbone which fuses together with the jaw and form a single unit. Later, on top of this, we'll place a crown part which will replace the function as well as aesthetic.
So, Dr. Suman, why is replacing the root so important?
Good question, Nishika. So, whenever a patient chews, the root stimulates the underlying bone, so the bone is maintained. With replacement of teeth using bridges or dentures, the root is not replaced, so there is bone loss. But with implants, we replace the root and maintain bone. So, implants are superior to bridges or dentures.
Adding on to that, we have seen many patients who came with loose and ill fitting dentures. By the time when we check, the bone is already lost. So, it is very important to maintain the integrity of bone.
This happens with dental implants.
Who are the candidates for dental implants, Dr. Adarsh?
Anybody with a missing tooth are the candidate for the dental implants.
Okay. Dr. Adarsh, could you explain the procedure?
Yeah, so dental implant starts with the preliminary examination with an X-ray and followed by the dental implant placement, and which will be followed by the crown placement.
So, is the procedure complicated?
No, not at all. It is very simple procedure done under local anesthesia within 20 minutes.
So, this is for you, Dr. Suman. How long will the dental implants last?
Yeah, that's important. Dental implants last a lifetime. However, continuous maintenance and follow ups are important.
And also, could you tell about the maintenance, Dr. Radhika?
Maintaining a dental implant is as simple as maintaining your natural teeth. You can regularly floss, you have to regularly brush, and visit your dentist at least once in 6 months.
Ma'am, but why choose White Swan Aesthetics for dental implants?
Yes, at White Swan Aesthetics, we have the state of the art facility. We follow strict sterilization protocols and we choose the best dental implant. We have chosen Austin, which is one of the leading dental implants manufacturers in the world. And we place implants with a team approach. Here at White Swan Aesthetics, we have an oral surgeon, periodontist, and a prosthodontist. Yes, for your dental implants, choose White Swan Aesthetics.